Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. Today I'm going to show you around this 67 registered BMW X2 2 litre diesel M Sport X Drive. So this car is 4-wheel drive, it's got a 2 litre diesel engine in, and it's also got the automatic transmission. Now it's finished in the Black Sapphire and is sitting on the 20-inch bi-colour alloy wheels. Fantastic looking car from every angle with lots and lots of lovely features. So we've got parking sensors on the front and the rear. We've got the LED style headlamps on these new modern BMWs. This is obviously the latest generation car, which can be purchased new today. But I must admit, I do like these. We've sold quite a lot of them now. They are probably one of the best 5-door cars on the market. The wheels are all in exceptional order. Externally, we've got the sapphire black paintwork. We've then got the privacy glass in the rear. We've got the high gloss exterior window surrounds just to add to the features. Looking down the side of the vehicle, it has been very, very well cared for, free from any real marks whatsoever. All the wheels are in super condition. Coming round the rear, the X2 M Sport gets the twin tailpipe exhaust system, and the X Drive badge there tells you, can I get an X Drive or an S Drive? S Drive's 2-wheel drive, X Drive's 4. Electric tailgate, easy to open with the shopping or the kids' stuff. We've got the storage bin underneath the boot floor, a 12-volt charger in there, lovely illuminated area. Press the button, the boot closes straight away. But what a great looking car. Really, really nice from every angle. All the wheels are in superb order, and she's riding on Goodyear Eagle tyres on the rear there. So look at that, how good does that look? Now let's have a look inside, because we've got the full black leather Dakota interior, and that's then finished with the silver hexagon interior detail with the Estoril Blue line. We've got the silver stitch on the black leather. As you can see, the seat is in as good a condition as it was when it probably left the factory. The interior is in wonderful order. And let me start by the extras. Let's have a look. So we've got the power folding mirrors. Press the button there and they fold into the car. That external mirror is auto dim, as well as the internal mirror. We've got the Harmon Kardon surround sound system. Lovely sound, which I'll demonstrate to you in a moment. You've also got then the M Sport details on the sill plates. The Estoril Blue trim follows through on the dashboard and all the way through the car. Really, really nice detail, that. But lovely, lovely order. I don't smoke, and I can tell the last person didn't either. Very fresh, and as you can see, that line, the shadow line, is all lit up, as you can see on the dash there. Really, really nice detail. In the centre we get the CD player. We've got heated seats, climate control. Coming down the system, we've got the Eco Pro mode, parking sensors, reversing camera, hill descent control, full media player, which then comes up on the dashboard. So as we click through, we've got satellite navigation, we've got DAB radio, we've got communication, we've got the map we've seen, we've got the menu. Coming down through the vehicle, it's been maintained by the BMW garage from new. As you can see there, I'll take you onto that. And the services are all there, ready for its next service, which we'll do. But as you can see there, all the way up to the last service is in February 21 at 20,510 miles. And they're all done at the same BMW, as you can see there, 10521. That's the BMW dealer that looked after the car for the last keeper. However, as I said, we will service it before it leaves Alpha here in Wigan. Now the car, as I do the videos, done 28,249 miles. We get the paddle shifts on the steering wheel. In the hand, it's a lovely thicker leather steering wheel of the M Sport, and then we've got the onboard computer and I think high beam assist on that lamp there. Automatic wipers, but a really, really super car. 2 keys there, book pack, we've got the tailored mats, so everything that was there when it was new is here today. Taking a look in the rear, that is as nice as it is in the front. So the Estoril detail falls through. In the back, because you've got the Harmon Kardon, you get the tweeter speakers also, and you get a speaker and subwoofer as well, slightly on the dash. But the interior's got the Isofix chairs. You've got the semi-aniline little holes in. As you can see, that blue Shadowline now throughout the car is lovely, well lit up. Super, that, isn't it? That is brilliant. I like that. It's the little details on cars which makes them stand out. But yeah, what a lovely motor. So if you have an interest in this, we can do a reservation. So give me a call here in Wigan. We'll take a £250 fully refundable deposit. We will then prepare the car so that you only have to come and visit us once. Once you've test drove the car, if you've got a part exchange, once we've finalised the price on it, the car will be ready for you to drive away. So we just do it on your phone, make sure your funds are in an account where they can be transferred immediately. Once you've done that, we'll do the DVLA paperwork, taxa, and then you'll be able to drive home in your new BMW 2-litre diesel M Sport automatic. Simple, fun, from a 40-year-old family business based here in Wigan. So have a look on Facebook, have a look on Auto Trader, have a look on Google, have a look at our reviews. We've been doing this a very, very long time. We prepare our cars to the highest standard. They're all HPI clear. We have some fantastic finance packages. We can give you a part exchange over the phone. We take the complication out of the deal. So there's myself, Graham, there's Lee, and there's Dom on sales. Any further questions, give us a call here in Wigan and we'll be happy to help you in any way. But thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.